Hello everyone, today I will show you how to install Directus CMS on your Ubuntu 24.04 server. By the end of this video you will be ready to start using it.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
After updating your packages, install Docker and the necessary dependencies using the following command. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for 3 months on all virtual services on our website. Now create a project directory and navigate into it. Next, create a Docker configuration file and pass the following code into it. Make sure to update the lines for passwords, secret keys and the admin login credentials. Also, don't forget to specify your actual domain name or server IP address. Next, launch the Directus CMS container with the following command. Open your web browser and go to your server IP address or domain name. Log in using the credentials you specified in the file and you're ready to start working with Directus. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching MivoCloud.